Mine is a very short task, and I'm reminded by the minister's words that if you can't say something in 5 minutes, you're not going to be able to say it in 5 hours. So mine is here just to give the vote of thanks. I want to take this opportunity to thank the South African Communist Party and the Central Leadership for bestowing upon the University of Johannesburg the honor of hosting the first inaugural lecture for Moses Kotane. I also want to thank the Kotane family and the Makabula family and the foundation for gracing us with your presence this evening and for also allowing us to honor Comrade Kotane this evening. Minister, I can't even begin to describe how liberating and inspiring your speech was this evening. When Nolita, our program director, said that we have the Vice Chancellor, the academic, and in you, the politician, the thought that went through my mind immediately was that you're a politician academic. The academic in you has never left you. So, and tonight was evident in your address. So I just want to say that it was extremely inspiring. And I think you've set us on a path of thought and reflection and about the role that this university, but I think all universities need to play, not only in writing about the past, but also thinking and reflecting about how the past shapes our future and how it must continue to influence the way we think about not only our country, but our continent. So I want to thank you all. And I also want to thank Dr. Bongani. I know that you will definitely take forward the suggestions that arose from the minister. I have no doubt in my mind. You're an amazing young intellect. And I'm just so very glad that you left the presidency to come to us. Great. On that note, may I thank every one of you for attending this evening on a very cold winter's night. I think winter's finally started, but I want to thank you for taking the trouble to be here and to support this occasion. And I think I can speak on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, Prof. Marwala, that this will be an annual event at the University of Johannesburg.